For fruits that will cleanse your kidneys fast, kidney filters the blood and removes waste products from the body. It maintains the blood pressure, balance electrolytes, and produce hormones. There are many facts that the kidney is overloaded with toxins, such as dehydration, infection, diabetes, high blood pressure. You can eat kidney cleaning fruits for your healthy kidneys. 1. Cranberries. It prevents urinary tract infection. Cranberries contain proanthocyanidin that prevents bacteria from sticking to the wall of the urinary bladder. 2. Lemon. It is a citrus fruit that helps to cleanse the kidneys. It is an antioxidant and boosts immune system. 3. Blueberries. It contains anthocyanins, which are antioxidant and anti-diabetic. It protects kidneys from the damage caused by high blood pressure. 4. Pineapple. It contains bromelain that dissolves kidney stone. It prevents kidney stone and UTIs.